Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's kitchen. Today I'll be sharing some harvesting of limes grown in my kitchen garden. I usually don't do the harvesting as they're so close to my place. I just take them as and when required. But this time there were more than 12 to 20 limes on my plant and I thought of sharing with you the harvesting part. So these are limes, okay? Don't be confused with limes. You can see the lime is small, round, greenish in color. I will show you now the lemon. These are the lemons that my son had got from Dehradun. So now you are all familiar with my terrace garden and I have introduced you all to my different plants from time to time and shown you how I use them, right from curry leaves to oru leaves, then these are oha leaves and these are haldi leaves, turmeric. Now today we will have a look at my lime plant. You can see the pot, such a small pot I have, but it has given me plenty of limes and I don't use any fertilizers. I just use my kitchen waste, that is my fruits and vegetable peels. Okay, so they are all grown on that. So now I'm doing the harvesting. These limes are antioxidant and they get rid of the toxins in your body. So I've heard that you have to have you have to have lime juice early in the morning every day to get rid of the toxins. But well, the younger generation in my house do it. My daughter and my daughter-in-law, they follow this regularly. But I use it in other form, like I have my breakfast, squeeze the lime in that. So here I'm enjoying getting the lovely, round and fresh limes from the garden. Limes are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, both of which may offer health benefits. Eating limes or drinking the juice may improve immunity, reduce heart disease risk factors, prevent kidney stones, aid iron absorption, and promote healthy skin. Yes, but you may avoid limes if you are allergic to citric fruit. The health benefits of lime water include weight loss, improved digestion, reduced respiratory and urinary disorders, relief from constipation, and treatment of scurvy, piles, peptic ulcer, gout, and gums. It also aids in skin care and eye care. So it is one of my favorite plant in my terrace garden. And I would suggest that you too plant this lime tree in your garden and enjoy its benefits. Today I had prepared pohe for breakfast and I needed lime. So here I go to my lime plant and pluck one lime, juicy lime from it. And I will just show you how I make use of these limes. Okay? So today it is my breakfast time. Hello. I would have loved to have lime juice, but early morning I love my cup of tea. So I skip the lime juice. Instead I use it in my breakfast. So now today I will just share with you how I use my limes for my breakfast. Okay, so here you can see I have my pohas ready. I have taken one lime, roll it so that the juice is, you get more juice from the lime. And yes, these green limes are very juicy too, unlike the lemon that I showed you in the photo. These are very juicy and so now I will just squeeze this half lime. These poha, wangi poha I prepared, not only enhance the taste but they are healthy too. So why not try it? And look at how beautiful they look, right? I hope you have liked my video, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. Take care.